How to return Turo Car. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can return Turo Car. So this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account. And once you're logged in, ensure that you return the car with the same full level or charge as you picked it up. Then ensure the car is clean as when you received it. Then take photos of the car condition both inside and outside to avoid any dispute about damage. Then park the car in the agreed open location specified by the host. Then leave the keys in a secure location as directed by the host. Then complete your checkout. Since you have been logged into your account, go to the Trips tab, which is usually located by the top right corner of the screen, and click on Trips in the drop down menu. And then once you're on the Trips page, select the trip that you would like to return its car, then follow the prompts to complete the checkout process, then upload the photos you took and confirm that the car is in a good condition. And then once you've done that, the location where you are to return the car will be displayed to you. So follow the location and then return the car successfully. So that is it. This is how you can return a car on Turo. Thank you for watching and have a good day.